Mel and Thathi have their first fight. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 4th to the 8th of October 2021 on Monday. Ntokozo crosses the line with Dawn. Melusi is ready to tell all while Gladys' worst nightmare come to fruition on Tuesday. Dawn tried to mend fences with Sibongile. Ntokozo tried to get closer to Dawn. Melusi struggled to come clean to Thathi on Wednesday. Ntokozo and Teddy return home and cause their family trouble. Gladys accuses Melusi of being a bad parent. Dawn puts in a special order for Teddy's birthday present on Thursday. Zoda received unexpected income. Dawn has 2 new hijacking candidates for his operation prospect on Friday. Dawn goes too far in his quest to win Teddy over and Zoda has had enough. Mel and Thathi have their first fight. Gladys flips the switch on Ntokozo. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.